Meaning of horticultural.
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 Horticultural. Horticultural refers to the cultivation and management of plants, particularly in gardens or nurseries. It involves the use of various techniques such as soil preparation, planting, pruning, watering, fertilizing, and pest control to promote the growth of healthy plants. Horticulture plays an important role in providing food, medicine, and ornamental plants for human consumption and enjoyment. Horticulturists work to improve crop yields, develop new plant varieties, and enhance the aesthetic appeal of urban and rural landscapes. Overall, horticulture is a vital field that contributes to the well-being of both humans and the environment.